Okay, so as promised, here's the video that you were waiting for. I'm going to show you that the P&G promotion is working. Basically, like the products I got today, what is not working and what is working so far. So even though we did get the promotion back, spend $30 in P&G participating products and get $10 back in a registered reward, that only lasts 3 days, by the way. So tip here, only lasts 3 days, by the way. So immediately I get them, I use them the same day. So with that, I was only able to do a couple of transactions. I'm going to show you what they are. I'm going to try to go back again today when I finish working. You got, if you know me, you know I work in a daycare, and so I tried to make this video earlier, but the kids were not letting me. So, okay. Now I'm gonna break. So the Tide detergents, it didn't matter if I did the Tide liquid, it didn't matter if I did the Tide pods, it was just not going, not giving. So before the situation started with the registered rewards not printing out, these were some of the products that were already giving an issue. Like these were the ones that kind of started, the Tide products started not counting towards it. And so I guess now that they brought it back, they're still not working. So Tide products not working out, unfortunately. So you can try to see if yours prints out, is up to you, but I'm just letting you know what did not work for me. I really haven't had time to scroll through TikTok or see those people that I follow as well and like credit anyone that I saw doing any transactions that did work. So for Tide, but for now, Tide, it's a no-no. Let's go to the next one. I had to get a little glow going on because it was looking a little dull. The beads. So this beads, I did not try the other beads, just in case they were working, but I know that these beads are not working. So don't get the Gain this scent beads. If you want to try the original and see if it prints out, again, you're going at your own risk, but I wouldn't do the beads either. So those are the items I tried that did not work out. I tried mix and matching the two, either getting Tide only or getting Tide and or getting Gain or mixing or using different scents, and they were just not giving. It was just not working out. And before the cashier took me out of the store or got upset with me, I decided to stop trying. So what is working? So what is working? We got Head and Shoulders. Head and Shoulders, the ones that are working are the men ones. So it could be this scent or another scent, but it has to be the men ones. Those were the ones that were working at the beginning of the week, and they are working again. So Head and Shoulders, $6 each. The men scents, those are working. And I tried different of the Crest Paste, the ones that are $9 each for that promotion that you buy two for 18. Each one has a $4 digit coupon. I'm not getting into too many details. I just wanted to show you what products are working. Crest products are working. As far as I'm concerned, the ones that were working before are still working. And Head and Shoulders, but only the men's scents on this size. So I will continue to update you on what is working out. But again, the fact that we have something working on the P&G is awesome. However, I also did the deal of Chic. If you want to know that, put it in the comments. I got a couple of more things. If you want to see that, I got small transactions that have nothing to do with P&G. So if you are just don't want to deal with any more headaches or anything else at the P&G and you don't want to do the transaction on the items that I did tell you that are working, then I can go ahead and give you more options of other items that are still working with their promotions that were working from before. Okay, so stay tuned for more updates and for more transactions. Until the next one, don't forget to smile, like, and follow so you can keep getting notified when I post again.